Welcome to an exclusive tour inside one of the world's most advanced lithium-ion battery manufacturing facilities. The ion battery is the silent powerhouse, supplying life to everything from your smartphones and laptops to luxury electric vehicles and massive global energy storage grids. This is where billion-dollar technology is crafted with micron-level precision. Join us as we go deep into the complex industrial process where rare chemicals, exotic materials, and advanced robotics converge to create the most essential product of the 21st century. In this industrial documentary episode, we pull back the curtain on the electrode coating process, how raw lithium-ion chemical powders are mixed into a thick slurry and coated onto metal foils with absolute uniformity, the secrets of the dry room, why this critical area must maintain near-zero humidity, and the synchronized coordination of robotic arms during the delicate cell stacking process. Fiber optic laser welding, the use of powerful lasers to fuse copper bus bars and create flawless, high-reliability electrical connections. AI-driven quality control, the rigorous testing, initial charging, formation, and high-speed grading that every single power cell must pass before powering your devices. If you love the drama of billion-dollar manufacturing, non-stop industrial machinery, and the behind-the-scenes secrets of the tech industry, hit subscribe now so you don't miss our next deep-dive industrial documentary. Like this video if you were amazed by the precision. Comment below, what part of the battery manufacturing process surprised you the most?